Good morning, friends. Today is my first Veda vlog. So today is video every day August. So I'm going to be doing basically a vlog or a video every single day, mostly vlogs. My eyelashes are crazy. I need to get a fill and I won't be getting a fill till the end of August. So I'm probably just going to need to get a full set. So don't mind those. It is like 8:30 in the morning. I was supposed to go running, but that's not gonna happen and it's gonna rain. So I was thinking I'm gonna do some pink in my hair this morning. If you saw my L'Oreal Colorista pink hair fail, I just bought the Kristen S rose gold color. So I've already used that, but I'm gonna do it again. So I gotta wet my hair. And then, ew, what the heck is that in my bed? That's so gross. Walter bringing all his dirt. And so today I'm gonna be getting ready a little bit for tomorrow and this weekend. Going to the cottage again. Probably the last weekend in the summer that I'll be going. And then tomorrow I'm having my sisters and their significant others over for dinner. So I gotta clean up. I also, what else do I need to do? Yeah, I'm also meeting a client for I am the wedding planner for a wedding. So I gotta do that today. And I teach this evening. So I took this morning off because I played hockey last night and I was so tired. Anyways, I'm rambling. So let's get up and get to dyeing my hair pink. Pink. Okay, if you did not see my July favorites, the hair tint that I'm using is this Kristen S rose gold temporary tint. So the issue that I had last time was I actually put it in while I was in the shower, so I could not see what I was doing. It was everywhere, but it ended up still turning out nice. I just had really pink like bangs, and then the rest was very light. So this time I'm going to wet my hair now. Oh, I guess I should wash it now. Oh, this is proving harder than I thought. Okay, so the drier your hair is, the more color it will absorb. The more wet your hair is, the less color. Don't mind how crazy I look. So I don't want it to be too much. I'm gonna brush my hair out. Ow. Okay, let the coloring begin. To 2 minutes and then rinse it out. Okay, I just have to say this volume spray from Way is bomb. Like, look at all this volume just from blow drying my hair. Anyways, I don't know how much you can see. I think I did maybe too light of a hand, but I like it. It's not gonna last more than probably like one wash. I could have gone a little bit darker, but I love it. I love that it's kind of like, is it pink? Is it not pink? Yeah. Anyways, again, the volume spray is so good. Like, that's just one pass at blow drying. Okay, I am ready for the day. I just threw on a pair of these are like boyfriend, I think they're actually girlfriend jeans. These are Calvin Klein, and my UGG slippers. And then this is just my Topshop button down. I did curl my hair and I just threw on some of these like really classic earrings, and yeah, I just need to be put together a little more than usual today. I have a lot of cleaning to do before tomorrow. Everyone's coming over tomorrow, and then we are leaving for the cottage. So I feel like every time I pick up the camera, I'm always like, I need need to clean, I need to pack. But literally I do. I need to clean and I need to pack. And I gotta go to the dentist. Oh, you can kind of see the pink in my hair now. It's pretty, right? Anyway, or the orthodontist. And get I should be on like my last series of Invisalign. I'll be really excited to not be doing Invisalign anymore. It's not good. It's not bad. I love it. It's just, I'm ready to be done. Just at the work though. I'm finished at the orthodontist. I didn't really film. It was hard. I'm in a chair. I've got these glasses on. My mouth is open. It's really hard to film. So that was a great appointment. Really exciting. Maybe I'll share it in a different video, but I'm pretty much almost done. These teeth are almost done. Anyways, I just got home. I think I said that. And I have a little bit of time before I need to leave again. Oh, today is just getting the best of me, and tomorrow's gonna be just as busy. Anyways, I gotta get inside now so I can finish some work before I need to go. I am just taking Walter out for a walk. Outfit change. Same day, different outfit. Because it's kind of cool out and it's like weird. You still want your air conditioning off because there's humidity, but as you can see, it's like really windy and it's a little bit cool. And I'm gonna be meeting at a Starbucks, which is cold. So I just felt like this is still light and like loose, but warm. Anyways, taking Walter out, and it feels like it's going to rain actually. I cannot believe we're in August, like for real. Some of the leaves are already starting to change. It's so sad. I'll show you. Okay, can you see? They're starting to change. No, it's still summer. Come on, nature, it's still summer. No, this cannot be happening. This cannot be happening. We're still in August. I know I said that like I'm excited about fall. I am, but I'm not ready for summer to end. I don't feel like I've basked in summer enough. Come on, Wally. I love my dog. He's so cute. Are you so cute? Wally. Hey. I am home now. Kind of outfit change. I just took off the sweater. Had a wonderful first initial client meeting. Oh, there's a fly. If you didn't watch my vlog from the other day with the fly swatter, oh my gosh, I gotta get this fly. Not you, Mother. Ah! Yes, the bowls are still there. Oh, I killed the fly. Okay, anyways, I had an amazing initial first wedding consultation with a new client. That was fun. And now I'm at home and I gotta get ready for tonight. Nothing's happening tonight, but I gotta go to the grocery store to buy some Taiwanese beef noodle soup stuff for tomorrow, and I gotta clean up in here, do some laundry, do some dishes, all that fun stuff. Yeah. Get her done. Sorry. We are here to pick up stuff for the Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Just picked up Andrew from the train and we're gonna shop around. That's about it. It's kind of boring. But we'll get all the stuff. We're now at a different Oceans. And Andrew has his umbrella that he's not letting me stand under. Just joking, he is You keep walking away.
No, I'm not doing that on purpose.
I need it. Woo! I have the best husband ever. He's making dinner. Am I tasting this? Ah, it's hot.
See if it's elongates or
Mmm, that's so good. No, that's perfect. You the best. We have corn on the cob, asparagus, and chicken. It's really good. Whew, super hot. It is 11 and I'm finished teaching and I'm cleaning. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Welcome to my 30 days of Veda. I was gonna say Vlogmas. Anyways, these are the final days, the final month of summer. So I'm gonna clean up. Tomorrow's a busy day. Amy Lee's husband comes into town. We're gonna have beef noodle soup. We're gonna have a good time. Natalie and Jordan are coming over. It is going to be super fun. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope that you have an amazing night when you see this. I don't know when you're gonna see this, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again for another video. Thanks, Andrew. Bye.